I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to reset your password on eToro, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Go to the eToro login page. Visit the official eToro website and click on the login button. This will take you to the login screen where you can find the password reset option. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the eToro.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Enter your email address. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your eToro account. Make sure to double check for any typos before proceeding. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for password reset email from eToro. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Click on the link provided in the email to set a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Once done, log in with your new password. Remember, if you don't receive the email, it might be worth waiting a few minutes or trying again. I hope this helps you get back into your account smoothly.